Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, December 15th, 2025. This program covers significant market moves across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today's key indexes were all down. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,816.34, down 11.8 points. The Dow 30 index ended lower at 48,416.57, losing 41.49 points. Despite these drops, both indexes showed a very strong positive trend amid consecutive declines. Market breadth shows mixed results. The S&P 500 index had more advances at 279 compared to 213 declines for the day. The Nasdaq Composite Index, however, saw more declines with 2,024, overshadowing 1,035 advances, reflecting its downturn. Focusing on returns, the S&P 500 index displayed a year-to-date total return of 15.89%, maintaining a very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index experienced a significant negative impact this week, with a weekly downturn of 0.59% amid its mixed positive longer-term trend. Industries showed distinct movements. Healthcare led the sectors, rising 22.82 to close at 1,813.81, marking a strong four-day upward streak. In utilities, an upward breakout interrupted a negative trend as it gained 3.79. Consumer Cyclical's consistent strength is seen in its five-day ascent. The technology sector fell notably, closing down for 3 days at 5,587.23, largely impacting market sentiments. Energy also declined by 5.23, sustaining its mixed positive trend, while the financial services sector managed an all-time high close with gains of 1.8, showcasing its robust support. Globally, Thailand and Poland ETFs led gains, with Poland reaching a new all-time high at 35.91. Both markets displayed strong upward trends and significant volatility increases. Turkey maintained its positive trajectory too, capitalizing on its breakout from a flat price movement. Highlighting returns, Poland's ETF soared with a year-to-date return of 72.07%, while Spain closely followed with 73.97%. Italy's gains were also significant, suggesting strong investor confidence in these markets amidst overall positive trends this month. In tech stocks, Apple closed down by 4.8, ending at 274.19 after a downward breakout from 5 days of flat movement, indicating a mixed trend. Alphabet fell by 1.22 to close at 309.30, marking 3 consecutive down days despite a very strong positive trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 85,997.77, down 2,173.84 or 2.4%. With a very strong negative trend and ongoing strong downward volatility, Bitcoin heads down for the 4th consecutive day. Ethereum holds at 2,940.59, dropping 122.71 or 4%. It continues a strong negative trend over 2 days. BNB trades at 850.88, shedding 26.66 or 3%, with notable downtrend volatility. Solana sees 125.96, declining 3.45 or 2.6%, featuring a very strong downward trend with some volatility. Lastly, Dogecoin is at a fraction of a cent lower, 0.1287, with a loss of 0.0053 or 3.9%, and is inclined toward a one-year low. A look at the total and daily returns showcases Bitcoin with a week-to-date decline of approximately 2.47%. Ethereum experienced more weakness, dropping around 4.01% in the week to date. BNB shows a modest week decline near 3.04%, with improved performance year to date at over 21%. Solana has fallen 2.67% this week, signaling negative momentum. Meanwhile, Dogecoin exhibits a sharp week-to-date dip of 3.98%, drawing near its yearly lows.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar has been facing challenges today. Against the euro, it is currently valued at 0.8506, showing a drop of 0.0015. The greenback is in a strong downward trend against the euro. Similarly, against the British pound, the greenback at 0.7477 is experiencing a downward trajectory, being less active for the last 4 days. A different story unfolds against the Japanese yen, with the dollar at 155.1970. Although it has mixed trends, it has been falling for 2 consecutive days. In contrast, against the Swiss franc, the US dollar is currently up to 0.7963, marking the 3rd upward day amid some recent volatility. Finally, against the Australian dollar, the dollar is currently strengthening to 1.5056, even as it battles a very strong negative overall trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.